freelancer. Hey business owner. Are you tired of hustling and ready to start thriving in your business? I'm Lisa, and I built a 6-figure copywriting business on Upwork my first year. I had no idea what I was doing, but each year I have grown my business and doubled it and brought on a team. I want to help you do the same. There's so many things that we need as freelancers and business owners to help us thrive. And part of it starts with you knowing how to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule. I've put together a series of videos, courses, and coaching to help you know how to get paid what you're worth, write proposals people say yes to, how to create a streamlined sales funnel, how to close clients, and build a team. These are all the things that you're going to find in this YouTube channel. You have come to the right place. I am so glad you're here.